Hello everyone, today is our first look video at Skyhook Games Cargo Line Volume 2 for Midland Mainline DLC. I'll do it again as well. Yeah, this DLC comes across on 4 routes, so it has scenarios, excuse me. I haven't got the reverser in. Yeah, it has scenarios in southeast and high speed. Oh, shush. It has scenarios in southeast and high speed, services on suffragette line, and there we go. Services on suffragette line, scenarios on southeast and high speed, and what else is there? Oh yeah, Midland Main Line and Great Western Express, of course. Brakes need to be in goods. So yeah, this is Mountsorrel yard that we're in now, which is the yard that basically is where all the aggregates get shunted around. I'm going to go into forward, release them, and now we're going to apply this. If I can get to it, there we go. Here we are. Oh, they're actually loaded as well, that's nice. Yeah, here's the HOA wagons, which are the wagons which come with this pack. They're a little bit expensive for £10, I'd say try and get them at a 50% off sale, but I bought them at a 10% off just because I had some money spare, so I thought why not. Bit of graffiti on them. Obviously they can't use real world graffiti because that would be copyright, because it's art in a way. Need to stop at Leicester. Is that where the service goes? Leicester? Yeah, it's just to Leicester. I thought this was a longer service. Anyway, we'll go release the brakes, go forward, do a bit of 1, 2, 3. There we go. Listening to the wagons. Oh, I can barely hear it myself. It's on normal volume. Yeah, if you have got this pack, let me know what you think of it. I mean, this is my first look, so I don't have an opinion as of yet. But yeah, did you get it day one? Did you get it on sale? Let me know. And what do you think of this route as well? I quite like it. Doing 6 miles an hour. Make sure the brakes off. Is the audio broken for them? Because I can't hear it. Anyway, Leicester's 7 miles away. Are we going to be on the fast line? No, we're going over to the side. Okay. That might be why it takes a fair while. Are we holding up any HSTs? Not just yet, but we might do. Right, let's get a bit more power on. Let's start speeding up before we start blocking everything. Really struggling. There we go, now I'm making a bit of audio. Some have graffiti on them, some don't, but if they have graffiti on them, they don't have branding, just because companies don't really want their stuff to be presented as dirty. Some wagons are louder than others because they have flat wheels, which are quite nice and very realistic for UK freight trains. That's the yellow for us. Right, let's start speeding up. We're in the red. too bad. Doesn't really make noise when you're not going over points though. We have got a full load of 1,800 tons. Green signal, so let's get to it. If you have stayed 5 minutes into the video, thank you very much for staying. Make sure to like and subscribe for more TSW and bus simulator content. I've actually seen these wagons in real life at Luton, because they go to Luton, well they go past Luton and through Luton, sometimes they go to Luton. Yeah, they look fairly realistic. I will say there's, in my opinion, there needs to be more variety, because so far, I think every single one in this train has not single branded. Let's get a photo around this corner. Photo mode. So yeah, this gives you quite a few services on here. Great Western Express. I want to say it might fit in for some of the JNA trains in South Eastern high speed. Don't quote me on that. It definitely does do services on the suffragette. But yeah, this one is, in my opinion, just off what you get, this is much better value for money than Cargo Line Volume 1. There we go. That's a nice screenshot. So yeah, we will do a video on either Great Western Express or the suffragette line on these wagons. If I can find service business. Let's see, yeah, what's in front of us at 158? Well, then we've got an aggregate service coming up. Nice. A couple of HSTs in Leicester. Yeah, the unit is backwards, because normally you can drive it forwards with the fuse up here, but oh well. I suppose it gets flipped around. That is time at Mountsorrel. What's that, 158? Nice. Good spot to see. 2 car, 158. Yeah. Bit of bounce. I have chosen the ECMLP equipped Doncaster 66, which has suspension. Because I have Xbox Game Pass, I also have the DB Cargo UK 66. And because I now own Great Western Express, I have the DB Schenker one, but I won't try that until PWE gets remastered, so that unit hopefully has better sounds. 50 miles an hour, will that be 50 for us? Yes. Nice. The wagon's oh god. I should be monitoring that while I was not monitoring that. Please slow down. Oh, yeah, maybe. I ain't been spad here. draining it down nicely. Should be alright, I hope. Oh, that was a close call. Here's where it goes yellow. Come on, don't stop. Keep going. Nearly there. 2 miles an hour. There we go. Moving a bit now. So does it come down to 3 track shortly? Yeah, that aggregates train is still there. But after that it should be green signals because I think the train in front of him is a sprinter. So it should be green signals. This is probably why the service takes about 30 minutes. Or just under 30 minutes. So it should be short. Oh, there he is. I was considering getting this or the Edinburgh Express DLC. Right, let's stop. Oh no, let's not stop. Right, well we stop now anyway. This would be a good place to get a photo actually if we can get moving in time. Right, let's get a photo. Sort of here-ish. Oh, nice. Can you move, please? We'll have to take one. A better place. No, it has to be now. That's better, I think. There you go. Cargo Line Volume 2. And obviously you've got Cargo Line Volume 3 and 4 on the way. Although I think they're more for West Coast Mainline South than they are for this route, judging off the work in progress pictures. But maybe they're so good on this route they want to hide it, or maybe there's a secret about them, who knows. And that signal was green, so we know that this next one won't be a red, which means we can't speed up. But obviously we can't speed up too much because there's a 20 limit soon. See, they don't really make much noise while moving. I mean, so far I'd give this DLC a 6, 7 out of 10. Right, I'm going to come down to a 20 limit in a second. Put full power just to make sure we're going 20 miles an hour for as long as we can. Eventually we'll go up to 50, but it will take a while. Bring the speed down and over to a single line running. I'm not speeding, give over, I'm doing 20. There's that aggregate service. There's Mountsorrel, so I suppose he's the next load of empties. Anything up at Totem Yard, sorry. Right, let's get going. There's the 50 limit. Do a bit of train length. Well, I haven't set it up because I don't play hubless. Or I rarely play hubless anyway. I do play hubless occasionally on the Brighton Main Line or South Eastern High Speed because I know those routes quite well because those are the ones I played most. And they're my 2 favourite routes. I'd say this is on par with Blackpool branches. It's not. My DLC would be South Eastern High Speed, Brighton Main Line, Suffragette Line, and then this and Blackpool Tide. Alright, come on, a bit of pace. We can do 60 here. there's not a... I'm assuming these are people that work at Skyhook Games making this on the graffiti. Yeah, it just seems to say Dave. That looks like an album to me. Dave. Don't know what that is. Dave, you go, we're all just fucking Dave, mate. Right, 4.4 miles to Leicester. 4.3 now. Changes. DSD going off. Signal is green. What's that, Leicester? Nothing. Is there still more 158 in front of us? Was that so far in front of us? Yeah, that's too far in front. Just to see that. 60 mile an hour is the speed limits, and let's keep cracking. Yeah, when it was Mountsorrel to Leicester, I didn't think it would take 27 minutes. But yeah, now I realise why I had to wait quite a bit at the start. There goes the engine changing gear, I'm assuming. Yeah, we had to wait quite a bit at the start and wait for that 66 to come through. Don't like that, leave that as it is. 50. Going on. Does anybody know what any of that information on the side means? Yeah, not far to Leicester now. The scenery on this route is great, it's superb. Especially the one side scenery, I think. Some of the further away scenery is a bit naff, but you're not going to see that from in here, are you, really? This way, a bit rocky. Not the most sturdy train, it's this class 66. I think we'll do a service of Suffragette and we'll do it in the East Coast Mainline 66. DB Cargo UK. So I'd love to get the DRS and the one for 66, but I don't own them at this moment in time. Maybe come my birthday, which is in 2 weeks from now. What's it, 2nd of January? Yeah, it's 2 weeks from now. Hopefully I'll have some more money to buy some Xbox. And hopefully there'll be some decent Xbox sales. But it's by the by. We're about 50 mile an hour now, 2.7 miles to Leicester. I expect the speed limit will come quite far down. Frost on the ground, but I haven't noticed that on any other route, a bit of frost on the ground. I've seen the winter. Yeah, it does. It does bad one things. Just get like that quite a bit of the time when the ground just sort of frost. Back in, back out. But yeah, these wagons look cool. I mean, they look fairly similar to the HKAs or FKAs and Great Express, the ones that were also in the yard, or the ones that Dovetail recently rehashed and reskinned and trying to get people, scam people essentially, and make £5 out of them. I mean, it just should have been free. I'm not going to say it's a scam, I should take that back, but yeah, it is just a bit scandalous, I'd say, to rehash a wagon we've already got and resell it. Which is why I don't think I'd ever buy, unless it's on a decent sale, I don't think I'd buy a cargo line one, just because it doesn't actually do much, if you know what I mean. It's just a bit, 10 quid for 20 things you can do with it, 2 scenarios and 2 scenarios and 8 services, so 16 services, which is the only things I'll play, and that's quite bad. This video is just hit 20 minutes on, so if you have been enjoying, make sure you turn your notifications on so you don't miss another upload. off less than that. Like 50 limit coming up, so we'll just take the throttle back and let it naturally slow down to 50. And we will input a bit of braking, and also we've got to come down to 25%. Just down here. What colour is our signal, Chief? I mean, if you're coming in on this line, you're donezo. Because it's red. 0.7. A bit more braking, I'd say. That was a green signal, so 25. These are at least the brakes now. A bit of throttle on because the brakes will come off here. There's a Blackpool Branches coach. That one's stopped for that. That one. It's all quite fast. Anyway, let's put a bit more braking on. Rock 37, 2 power cars into C47. Right, let's not stop, Oh yeah, it's got a bit of power on as well. Slow it down to 10 miles an hour. Nicely done. Bring it in. Bit of throttle just to stop us from stopping abruptly. Where's the next southbound HST? I'm most probably speeding at this point. He's there. Where's that? Loughborough. Oh, the aggregate service that was with us actually didn't stop at Mountsorrel, it went straight through. Alright, fair enough. But that is going to be it from me today. If you have enjoyed today's Train Sim Mod 5 video, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe to the notifications so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the very next video. Goodbye for now.